This time we're going to Italy. We're going to go to Catania together. It's currently 10:15 and our flight is at 5:50. So that means we have 7.5 hours to pack, sleep, and then get to the airport. Of course, we'll take everything in the classic Osprey backpack for 3 days. No, 4 days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. 3.5 days. Tripod, or else who would hold the camera? Our lenses. Great, that works. Ignore the messy kitchen. Pack some long sleeves, short sleeve shirts, socks, very important, toiletries, a towel, slides. Okay, that's it. Alright, so after we checked in, I walked around the area a little bit and saw there's a market nearby that had a bunch of like grills and barbecues that made it super smoky, which kind of made it look cool in the light, so I tried to take a couple pictures. I'm really glad I had color film on this trip because it just was a really colorful city. The fruits, those umbrellas in the background. From the top of the hostel, you could see Mount Etna right there. Only 2 weeks earlier, it had erupted, and a friend I had made who works at the hostel sent me this clip of it erupting, which is just so cool to see. So next to Catania, there's a place called Taormina that I met some people, and they all said it's really cool and worth seeing. Only problem is I only found out about it this morning, and the next train going there is in 5 minutes, and we're a 5-minute walk away. So I'm gonna take this quick video, and then I'm gonna run and see if I can make it. Alright, so we took a train to that station and then to the actual town itself. Apparently it's 35 minutes up that way, so should be worth it. So it is so nice for it to be mid-December and to be going on a hike in the sun in a t-shirt. I can say it was definitely worth it to go up. By the time we got to the top though, it is December, so the sun was setting a bit earlier and we only had a little bit of time before the sunset, so I squeezed out a couple more photos, and then from there just met with the friends I had made earlier. Had dinner together, hung out in this plaza, and got a cannoli from this place, and that was about it. Hope you liked the photos.